Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to get the WWE look on TikTok. So if you've been scrolling through TikTok and you're seeing this my look as a WWE wrestler, then let me show you how to do this. Before we begin, this is not free. You will need a CapCut standard subscription. So before we begin, you want to first go to your App Store. You want to go ahead and download CapCut. Once you've downloaded that, open up your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you want to go ahead and search for WWE look. Go ahead and tap on those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here, or this one here, or this one. Now from that, you want to go ahead and tap on try this AI template, CapCut. This will show you the template which you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on use template in CapCut. Now, as you can see, it needs a standard CapCut subscription. So if you have it, go ahead and tap on use template, take a picture of yourself, and then go ahead and create your video for the WWE look on CapCut. So there you go, guys. That is how to get the WWE look on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.